Acupressure for insomnia. In this video, you will learn what acupressure is, how to use acupressure safely and effectively, how to find acupressure points for insomnia. What is acupressure? Acupressure is a traditional Chinese medicine practice that stimulates the same points used with acupuncture, but with hands instead of needles. How to use acupressure safely. Before you start, it is important to follow these safety guidelines. Do not use acupressure on areas with open cuts, bruises, wounds, redness or swelling, surgical incisions, also called a cut, medical devices like IV tubes or a central line, tumors or known areas of metastases. Never use acupressure in place of other treatments your healthcare provider has prescribed. If you have any questions or concerns about using acupressure, talk with your care team. How to use acupressure effectively. Most acupressure points are located on both sides of the body. When you find the point, use the soft pad of your fingertip to apply steady pressure. Either press and hold the point or use small circular motion. Apply pressure for 3 minutes. The pressure should be firm but not painful. When you press on the point, you may feel a mild ache, soreness, or tingling. These feelings are normal and can be a sign you are pressing on the right spot. You should not feel sharp or intense pain. If you do, reduce the pressure. Press on each point as many times as you'd like each day. How to find acupressure points for insomnia. The 3 points that may help with insomnia are On-Mi-On, also called peaceful sleep, Heart 7, also called Spirit Gate, and Yin Tang, also called Hall of Impression. Now we will show how to find each point. On-Mi-On point. This point is located at the back of your neck, just behind the ear. To find the On-Mi-On point, turn your head slightly or tilt it forward to feel the base of your skull more easily. Place your finger just behind your earlobe. Gently move your finger about 1/2 inch towards the back of your neck, following the base of your skull. You will feel your finger move over a small bump of bone, then into a soft dip or hollow just behind it. This soft spot is the On-Mi-On point. Heart 7 point. This point is located at the wrist crease on the pinky side of your wrist. To find the Heart 7 point, turn your hand so your palm faces up. Starting at the space between your pinky or little finger and ring fingers. Trace a straight line down your palm and into the wrist crease. You should feel a small dip or hollow where this line meets the wrist crease below your palm. This is the Heart 7 point. Yin-Tang point. This point is located on your forehead, between your eyebrows. To find the yin-tang point, place your thumb or index finger, also called your pointer finger, on your forehead at the midpoint between your eyebrows. This is the yin-tang point. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have questions about acupressure, please contact your care team. For more patient education videos, visit fredhutch.org/patient-education-videos.